Hello, and welcome to a journey into the heart of the cosmos. Today we embark on an adventure that transcends time and space, taking us to the very origins of the universe. Imagine standing on the edge of time, looking back billions of years to the birth of stars and galaxies. It's a journey that will not only take us back in time, but also bring us right here to you and me, connecting us to the vast expanse of the cosmos in ways we can scarcely imagine. As we gaze upon the night sky, we are looking at a cosmic tapestry woven with the threads of time. Each star, each galaxy tells a story of creation, destruction, and rebirth. It's a journey that will take us billions of years back in time and bring us right here to you and me. The light from these celestial bodies has traveled unimaginable distances to reach our eyes, carrying with it the secrets of the universe. Prepare to be amazed, because today we're diving into a fascinating truth. We are all made of stardust. This isn't just a poetic notion, it's a scientific fact. The elements that make up our bodies, the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, were forged in the hearts of ancient stars. When these stars ended their life cycles in spectacular explosions known as supernova, they scattered these elements across the cosmos, eventually forming new stars, planets, and even life itself. That's right. The very same elements that make up distant stars are also the building blocks of you and me. This cosmic connection is a reminder of our place in the universe, a testament to the incredible journey of matter through time and space. Every atom in our bodies has a history that stretches back to the dawn of the universe, making us all part of a grand cosmic story. It's a thought that fills me with wonder, a reminder of the incredible connections we share with the universe around us. As we stand under the starry sky, we are not just observers of the cosmos, we are participants in its ongoing story. The universe is within us, and we are within the universe. This profound realization invites us to explore, to learn, and to marvel at the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover the wonders that await us in the vast expanse of space. You might be thinking, stardust? How is that even possible? Well, it all starts with the life cycle of stars. Stars are born in giant clouds of gas and dust, called nebulae. Over millions of years, gravity pulls this material together, causing it to heat up and eventually ignite in a brilliant burst of nuclear fusion. This fusion process is what makes stars shine, and it's also the crucible where heavier elements are forged from lighter ones. Inside the fiery heart of a star, hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium. This process, known as nuclear fusion, is the fundamental reaction that powers stars. It occurs under extreme temperatures and pressures, where the core of the star reaches millions of degrees. The fusion of hydrogen into helium is the first step in a series of nuclear reactions that produce the energy radiated by stars. This process releases enormous amounts of energy, which is what makes stars so incredibly hot and bright. The energy travels from the core to the surface, eventually radiating out into space as light and heat. This radiant energy is what we see when we look up at the night sky and observe the twinkling stars. The light from these stars can travel for millions of years before reaching our eyes, giving us a glimpse into the distant past of the universe. As a star ages, it continues to fuse heavier and heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and even iron. This process occurs in the later stages of a star's life cycle, as it exhausts its supply of hydrogen. The fusion of these heavier elements requires even higher temperatures and pressures, leading to the formation of a layered structure within the star. Each layer is composed of different elements, with the heaviest elements residing in the core. Eventually, when a star can no longer sustain nuclear fusion, it explodes in a spectacular supernova, This cataclysmic event marks the end of the star's life cycle and results in the release of an immense amount of energy. The explosion is so powerful that it can outshine an entire galaxy for a brief period. The core of the star collapses, and the outer layers are ejected into space at incredible speeds. These supernova explosions are some of the most powerful events in the universe, scattering newly formed elements far and wide into space. The elements produced in these explosions, such as gold, silver and uranium, are spread throughout the cosmos, eventually becoming part of new stars, planets and even life itself. In this way, the death of a star leads to the creation of new celestial bodies, continuing the cycle of cosmic evolution. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. When we look up at the night sky, we see countless stars twinkling back at us. But what if I told you that those stars are not just distant points of light? They are, in fact, deeply connected to us in ways we are only beginning to understand. Those scattered elements, born from the heart of dying stars, become the building blocks for new stars, planets, and even life itself. When a star reaches the end of its life and explodes in a supernova, it scatters its enriched guts across the cosmos. These elements then drift through space, eventually coalescing to form new celestial bodies. Remember those elements we talked about, like carbon, which is essential for all known life forms. Carbon is the fundamental building block of organic chemistry, the basis of life as we know it. And then there's oxygen, which is crucial for respiration, and iron, which is a key component of our blood. These elements are not just found in space, they're found right here on Earth and in you. They're not just found in space, they're found right here on Earth and in you. The very same elements that make up the stars also make up our planet and everything on it, including us. This means that we are, quite literally, made of stardust. Carbon forms the backbone of our DNA, the molecule that carries our genetic information. Without carbon, life as we know it would not exist. Oxygen is what we breathe, and it is essential for the process of cellular respiration, which provides the energy our cells need to function. And iron flows through our veins, playing a critical role in transporting oxygen throughout our bodies. Without iron, our cells would not receive the oxygen they need to produce energy. Every atom in our bodies was once part of a star, a testament to the incredible interconnectedness of the cosmos. This profound connection reminds us that we are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of it. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that you're looking at your cosmic origins. We are all part of this vast, beautiful universe, connected by the stardust that flows through us all. So, how do we know all of this? Well, scientists can study the composition of stars and other celestial objects by analyzing the light they emit. Each element emits a unique spectrum of light, like a fingerprint, which allows astronomers to determine what stars are made of. And guess what? The elements we find in stars are the same elements we find here on Earth and in our own bodies. It's a beautiful confirmation of our cosmic connection. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember this: you are not separate from the universe, you are a part of it. The atoms in your body were forged in the heart of stars, scattered across the cosmos, and eventually found their way to you. We are all connected to each other and to the vast universe around us by the shared history of stardust. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring thought, one that fills me with a sense of wonder and connection. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey into the heart of stardust. I hope it's given you a new perspective on our place in the universe. Remember to keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more explorations of the universe and beyond. Until next time, keep wondering.